Labubu didn't go viral by accident. In this video, you will see how popmart made it happen and why it is everywhere right now. So let's rewind and see how it really started. Mr. Wang owned a toy store called Popmart back in 2010. He sold toys from different brands, but business wasn't great. He had no price control and no customer loyalty. Why? Because people could walk into any other establishment and find the same toys, and sometimes cheaper. He needed to break out, so he took a bold step. He studied how the toy market worked outside China. In Japan and Hong Kong, he discovered three things. 1. Designer toys. These were limited edition figures made by artists. They weren't seen as toys, but as collectibles. Number 2. Mystery capsules. Tiny surprise toys sold in sealed capsules. The mystery made it feel like a game. Number 3. Vending machines. Convenient machines placed in public areas to make buying toys super easy. Wang saw the future, and by 2014, he had a plan. He started buying intellectual property rights from small, independent artists. That means he paid to turn their artwork into collectible toys exclusive to popmart. This instantly changed everything. He wasn't just a toy seller anymore. He was building a designer toy empire. In 2016, he released his first big hit, a character called Molly, created by an artist, Kenny Wang. But popmart didn't just sell Molly like a regular toy. They positioned Molly as heart and used Kenny's name to build trust with fans. They held exhibitions, pop-ups, and creative launches. This wasn't a toy store, it was an art gallery for collectibles. Through smart campaigns, popmart told people, put these on your desk and not in your toy box. And it worked. Each figurine had its own emotion, a name, and even a unique fashion style. This gave people a deeper connection with the character, and get this, they reduced the price from approximately $200 to approximately $20. Molly became affordable art, and collectors loved it. Then Mr. Wang took inspiration from Japan's mystery capsules and launched the blind boxes. Buyers didn't know which version of the character was inside. It created curiosity, and that drove sales. They upgraded vending machines into high-tech robo shops, placed in small malls and train stations. You didn't need cash anymore, just your phone. Buying a toy became a fun, gamified experience. They went further and added more excitement. They released the rare figurines, with some only available in specific cities. This made people travel just to get them. They encouraged fans to post unboxing videos online. Before long, popmart had an entire fan base creating content for them. User-generated content exploded. Free marketing, organic hype. So by 2018, when popmart got the rights to Labubu, a character from a comic book by the artist Mr. Long, they already had a strong tested system for launching new characters. Labubu wasn't just another toy. It entered a world built on smart design, strategy, and community. Between 2017 to 2020, popmart's revenue grew from $28 million to $500 million. In fact, they helped grow the entire Chinese toy market by over $4.5 billion. Other brands began copying their strategy. Guess the truth, they didn't reinvent toys. They reinvented how people bought them and who they were for. They shifted the focus from kids to adults who loved cool things, and that made all the difference. So if you want to borrow popmart's playbook, ask yourself, what part of my product could be positioned as exclusive craft rather than just another item? How can I add a mystery or a gamified layer that makes buying feel like a play? Where can I place my product so it's purchased on impulse outside my usual channels? 3 instant moves. Own something unique, gamify the sale, and let the fans market for you. So the next time you see a blind box or a character like Labubu, remember, it's a blueprint for winning in a crowded market. If you're planning to try a strategic twist on your own business, Comment below. I'm replying to the first 20 ideas. Like if you learned something new. Subscribe for some more business stories because next week we uncover another strategy.